Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report someone on LinkedIn. So for this, you have to go first on your LinkedIn profile and go for My Networks. If you want to report someone from your connections, that you can choose anyone, but I'll choose randomly any of it. So I'll go for this profile. And now when you are in your this profile which you want to report, so you have to go first on your on his more option of his profile and go for report and block. After that, go for report profile and choose a reason for, for which you wanna report him. If you choose this one and go for next. After that, you have to just go for submit report. So guys, this is how you can report someone on LinkedIn. Hope this video helped you guys. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.